We are out here in Ladner replacing the battery on this 1992 BMW 325. The old one, the client went ahead and bought a new one. We'll be replacing the battery. We'll be also changing the wiper blades on these. The blades are rusted. The vehicle has been sitting for a while, hence the battery has died. Also, we'll be doing a fluid top up, like the engine oil, the transmission oil, the power steering fluid and everything. So this is a 1992 BMW out here in Ladner. Battery has been replaced. A 13mm for this, a 10mm for this, and just two, and a 10mm out here flathead. Is all you need to replace your battery on your 1992 BMW 3 Series. So the vehicle is up and running. The client is going to take it out for a summer drive, and we are good to go. So if you need any brake replacement, alternator replacement, starter replacement, brake pad, rotor replacement, do give us a call and we'll do it right out of your location as we did today in Ladner, BC. Thank you.